which goes to Professor Arindam Chaudhary, who is the Dean, Center for Economic Research and Advanced Studies at the Indian Institute of Planning and Management, New Delhi. This institute is ranked amongst the top 2 business schools of India. May I request Professor Arindam Chaudhary, whose photograph you see so often in the newspapers, to kindly come and stand here. Sorry, I have edited a large part of the introduction, Professor Chaudhary, but let me say that it was in the year 1996, Professor Chaudhary founded PlanMen Consulting, which today has more than 500 self-motivated MBAs contributing to its ever-increasing growth. Not satisfied with resting on his management laurels alone, Professor Chaudhary gave vent to his creative urges too by starting a fully dedicated film production and communications venture in the year 2001, which he titled PlanMen Motion Pictures. Under this banner, he has produced several Bengali films and also a Hindi film, and has won many accolades and honors. An ardent writer, his Count Your Chickens Before They Hatch created a new benchmark by selling more than 100,000 copies in record time. He's of course a celebrated speaker. He regularly speaks at various fora. Right now, I will request him to kindly receive this award at the hands of Shri Nana Chudasama, and after that, you can look forward to his short and sweet speech. Sorry, sir, we may not be able to indulge everything that you'd like to say. I will request on behalf of everyone present here to be brief. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Arindam Chaudhary. And I will now request Professor Arindam Chaudhary to kindly say a few words in response to this honor. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome him.
A very good evening to everybody present out here, and my respects to the excellencies seated out here, Mr. Kamal Nath, Shri Patil, Shri Prabhu, Niranjan Hiranandaranji, and most importantly, Shri Nanik Rupani ji. I would want to say that I've met a lot of managers, CEOs, industrialists, but one person whose dedication to Indian culture and ethos has been tremendous in all my interactions has been Shri Nanik Rupani ji. And I must congratulate him for this extremely well-presented award ceremony. I also want to tell that this is one of those very few and unique occasions that one gets to see, where so many social luminaries, people who have achieved so much in contribution to mankind, are being awarded. And I think this is a great, great initiative, Shri Rupani ji. I must congratulate you on that. Coming to my field, of course, I have been talking about management for a long time, but today, inspired by Mr. Otunuji out here, Mr. Hon out here, Shri Dhillo out here, and such brilliant social luminaries out here, I would want to, as an academician, sum up perhaps the entire vision that we need to look forward to, inspired by such people. And I want to say that as economists, we constantly keep talking about a philosophy called the survival of the fittest. But I think for a better world that they all visualize, that Shri Nanak ji visualizes, we need to talk about exactly the reverse of that theory. We need to talk about a theory called the survival of the weakest, where the weakest in the world survive, and that is the focus of the politics all over the world, of industries all over the world, because the fact of the matter is that industries progress faster if poor have the purchasing power in the country, in the world. And only by focusing on such a philosophy of survival of the weakest will Mr. Otonu's and Mr. Hon's dream come true of a peaceful, of a equal world, because that's when powers like the USA will talk first about the weakest nations in Africa before they talk about their fifth car's home. Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here getting this award. I'm really grateful to the foundation. Thank you so much.